Sad news for Deepika Padukone fans. The production house behind Kalki 2898 AD has officially announced that Deepika will not be part of the upcoming sequel. And the statement they made has left fans both shocked and confused. Vajanti Movies took to Twitter to share this news. Their tweet said, "This is to officially announce that Deepika Padukone will not be a part of the upcoming sequel of #Kalki 2898 AD. After careful consideration, we have decided to part ways." But it didn't stop there. The tone of the message seemed a bit salty, hinting at a lack of commitment from Deepika's side. Despite the long journey of making the first film, we were unable to find a partnership. And a film like Kalki 2898 AD deserves that commitment and much more. We wish her the best with her future works. To remind you, Kalki 2898 AD starred Deepika alongside Prabhas, Amitabh Bachchan, and Disha Patani. Deepika played a pivotal role and fans were expecting her to return for the sequel. But the announcement triggered mixed reactions online. Some fans said, Nag Ashwin should be ready to face the music from Deepika fans. Others speculated, I don't think it's the effect of Prabhas' spirit, it might be something else. This isn't the first time Deepika has walked out of a major film. She had earlier exited Spirit with co-star Prabhas, reportedly over similar issues. She was also in talks for an action film directed by Sandeep Reddy Vanga but was replaced after reports of her demanding an 8-hour workday, a share in profits, and no Telugu dialogues. Fans have already started suggesting other actors for Deepika's role. One fan wasn't shy to say, glad she isn't part of this franchise. Literally, there was no emotion in all the scenes she acted in. Even Mrinal Thakur has better expressions for the few minutes she was on screen. So, what's really behind Deepika's exit from Kalki 2898 AD sequel? Fans and filmmakers are left guessing, but one thing is clear, this news has stirred up quite a buzz. Stay tuned for updates and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bollywood news. Nick Jonas just turned 33, and this birthday was extra special. From a working day on the sets of Camp Rock 3 to a sweet surprise by wife Priyanka Chopra, here's everything that went down on his big day. Nick celebrated his 33rd birthday on 17 September in the US. But this wasn't a day off, he was busy shooting for Camp Rock 3 with his Jonas brothers and longtime friend Demi Lovato. Yep, you heard that right. Camp Rock is back, and so is Nick, playing his character Nate once again. Nick shared a bunch of pictures and videos on Instagram, giving fans a glimpse of the fun on set. In one of the photos, you can see Nick sitting with Kevin and Joe Jonas, smiling as he blows out candles on a birthday cake. What made the day even more memorable? Priyanka Chopra surprised him on set. The couple later went out on a romantic dinner date and sealed the celebration with a passionate kiss. One of the sweetest moments was captured on camera, and yes, it's melting hearts across social media. Nick posted the unseen moments on Instagram and wrote, "Somehow my third time celebrating my birthday on the set of Camp Rock. 15, 17 and now the best one yet, 33 with my heart Priyanka Chopra." The post quickly went viral, with fans gushing over the couple's adorable chemistry. Priyanka also penned a heartfelt birthday message for Nick. She wrote, "As we celebrate you today, my love, I'm reminiscing each of the wonderful September 16 this I've been so lucky to spend with you over the years, so grateful to share life with you. We celebrate you every day." Years 2025 to 2018. Nick and Priyanka tied the knot in December 2018 and are proud parents to their daughter, Malti Miri Jonas. From movie sets to romantic kisses, Nick Jonas' 33rd birthday was truly one to remember. Stay tuned for more updates on this adorable couple. Vicky Kaushal turned heads at the grand premiere of The Bads of Bollywood ***. But all eyes were also looking for someone else. Katrina Kaif. Is she pregnant? Dressed to impress, the actor suited up in style for the much-anticipated premiere on Wednesday evening. Still rocking his Love and War look, Vicky made an early appearance on the red carpet, wearing a sleek double-breasted suit paired with a silk shirt. He looked dapper as he posed solo for the cameras, even winking at the paparazzi. Cameraman couldn't help teasing him by calling out Chhaava, a nod to his blockbuster hit of 2025, which went on to become the year's highest-grossing film. While other star couples like Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt, and Kajol and Ajay Devgan arrived hand-in-hand, Vicky's solo appearance quickly drew attention. His outing comes amid swirling rumors that wife Katrina Kaif is expecting their first child. The speculation gained momentum after Katrina was recently spotted wearing an oversized shirt while on a boat. Many fans claimed they saw what looked like a baby bump, sparking widespread buzz across social media and fan pages. Despite the growing chatter, there has been no official confirmation from either Vicky or Katrina. The couple, who wed in an intimate ceremony in 2021, have previously shut down multiple pregnancy rumors through public appearances and social media posts. If the rumors are true, this would be the couple's first child together, said a source close to the industry, though no statements have been made by the actors themselves. On the professional front, Vicky Kaushal shows no signs of slowing down. He is all set to star in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's upcoming epic Love and War, where he reunites with Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt. So, is a little Kaushal on the way? Only time will tell. For now, Vicky's keeping it stylish and Katrina's staying out of the spotlight. Stay tuned for updates.
Next mark, sir. Yes. Yeah, sir. Both of you center camera. Come on, एकदम. सर यहाँ देखिए थोड़ा राइट. काजल मैम, सर. सर. काजल जी. अजय जी, काजल जी.
गन शॉट तो फायर, चूंकि उस समय तो हम लोग दहशत में थे, मैं जग भी गया था, बाहर आने की कोशिश भी करी थी, आया भी था, और जैसे तैसे आड़ लेके हम लोग बचे हैं.
A shocking firing incident at Bollywood actress Disha Patani's home in Bareilly has taken a dramatic turn. After days of intense investigation, both shooters have been caught and killed in a police encounter. On 12th September, around 3:45 a.m., panic gripped Disha Patani's neighborhood when unidentified gunmen opened fire at her residence. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but the attack sent shockwaves through the city. A case was registered at the Kotwali police station in Bareilly. Taking the matter seriously, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ordered an immediate probe and strict action. Using CCTV footage from the area, data from neighboring states, and advanced surveillance, police tracked down the attackers. They were identified as Ravindra from Rohtak and Arun from Sonipat. On Wednesday morning, a joint operation by the Uttar Pradesh STF and Delhi Police Crime Intelligence Unit led to an encounter in Ghaziabad. Both men were injured in the shootout and later died during treatment in the hospital. Police recovered high-end weapons from the spot, including a Glock and Zigna pistol, along with a large cache of ammunition. Both men were active members of the Rohit Godara Goldie Brar gang, a notorious syndicate with multiple criminal cases, said ADG Law and Order Amitabh Yash. Ravindra had been previously involved in several crimes. Investigations are still on to uncover the full network behind this attack. Officials are determined to find out who ordered the shooting and why. This incident has once again raised serious questions about the growing reach of criminal gangs. Stay tuned for more updates as the story develops.
गन शॉट तो फायर, चूंकि उस समय तो हम लोग दहशत में थे, मैं जट भी गया था, बाहर आने की कोशिश भी करी थी, आया भी था और जैसे तैसे आड़ लेके हम लोग बचे हैं। चूंकि मैंने आपको बताया ना कि वो जो गन शॉट है वो यहाँ स्वदेशी नहीं है, वो विदेशी है, उसको तो बटन दबाते हुए कई राउंड फायर कर जाती है। अब मैं ये नहीं कह सकता हूँ, 8-10 राउंड तो मेरे ख्याल से फायर हुई।
लुकिया राधिका जी लुकिया, आकाश सर यहाँ पे।
Bollywood meets billionaires. At the grand premiere of Aryan Khan's debut series Bads of Bollywood, one person stole all the spotlight, and it wasn't a celebrity from the film world. It was none other than Radhika Merchant. The premiere was full of glitz, glamour, and star power. From the Khans to the who's who of B-Town, everyone showed up in style.
Yes. Lukya, Radhika ji, Lukya.
But the moment that really lit up the red carpet, the entry of Shlok Ambani, Radhika Merchant, and Akash Ambani. The trio's appearance instantly sent social media into a frenzy. While everyone brought their fashion A-game, it was Radhika Merchant's stunning red gown that became the talk of the town. She wore the Noor gown by luxury designer Maria Lucia Hohen. The figure-hugging silhouette and thigh-high slit made for a jaw-dropping look. According to the official website, the gown costs a whopping $3,665, which converts to around 3,22,166 rupees and 69 paise. To complete her look, Radhika paired the gown with a white Hermes Kelly bag featuring red accents, a statement piece in itself. She also wore Dolce & Gabbana gold knotted metallic sandals. The price? Another $1,030 or 90,540 rupees and 62 paise after conversion. As for the event itself, it marked the premiere of Aryan Khan's debut series, Bads of Bollywood. The series, produced by Shah Rukh Khan's Red Chillies Entertainment, promises to take audiences on an adventurous ride into the world of Indian cinema. But while Aryan's show is grabbing headlines, it's safe to say Radhika Merchant's fashion moment owned the red carpet. Style, elegance, and luxury all rolled into one unforgettable look.
Lukya, Radhika ji, Lukya. Akash sir, यहाँ पे, मैम यहाँ पे। राधिका सोलो। राधिका जी यहाँ पे, राधिका जी। राधिका सोलो। राधिका जी।